Hi there, it's Grant here, and thanks for joining me, and obviously a Happy New Year, and I hope you have a great 2023. But in this video, I just want to talk a little bit about what can we expect in the world of crypto in 2023, because obviously right now, the crypto market is pretty much in the gutters. A lot of people are thinking, have we seen the bottom of the crypto market? We're going to be going back, to the bull market of the past, and this is obviously where Bitcoin is at, currently trading at 16,653. Ethereum's at 1209. Obviously, we've had, the end of 2022, we had some pretty spectacular collapses, such as FTX, which really, really exasperated, the lack of confidence in crypto, and crypto's in the gutter. But basically what I want to do is give you my thoughts of what could be ahead for 2023. Now, I was listening to Alex Becker earlier, who is basically one of the, sort of leading crypto YouTubers, and I think he speaks a lot of sense whilst he's not, necessarily technical. He knows what he's talking about. He's a smart guy. So when he says something, I listen. So basically, I don't think we're at the bottom, because the thing is, the crypto market is very much linked to the other financial markets. And according to Alex, he believes that at some point, very soon, the bottom's going to fall out of the financial markets. And if that happens, that's going to send crypto further. So, in a nutshell, whilst, if we look at Bitcoin here, which is basically controls the crypto market, since, we've been pretty flat now, since sort of December. I mean, there's obviously been slight rises, but we've been pretty flat. Nothing's really happened really since mid-December. But what can we expect? So I think it's going to be another rocky year. I'm not going to lie. I don't know. I haven't got a crystal ball, and I'm afraid. I wish I did, and I wish good tides would come back to crypto. But I think it's going to be another rocky year. Reasons for that. Obviously, we have got war in Ukraine, which is really the main cause of all the financial woes we're having. Obviously we've got that going on. So until really that's resolved, I think that's going to cause continuing pain in the financial markets. Obviously the Fed are, the rates are higher. They're not printing the same amount of money anymore. If the Fed pivots, we're going to see more pain in the financial market, and that's going to have a knock-on effect to crypto. So I don't think we've seen the bottom yet. I think there's going to be further falls. Now, there's a lot of people out there saying crypto's dead, blah, 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 Bitcoin's going to be gone, Ethereum's going to be gone. I think that's rubbish. I'm still bullish about crypto. I think when all of this horrible mess is over in the financial markets, war in Ukraine is done, and we go back to some sort of normality, the bull market will return. You've got to remember, we're probably going through one of the worst financial times in history. I mean, this is actually even worse than 2008. I don't think we've seen anything this bad for a long, long time in the financial markets. A lot of pain. A lot of people are experiencing pain. A lot of companies are experiencing pain. Costs are higher than they've been since the 70s. It's a bad time. So if we can ride out this financial storm, and it looks like the storm's going to be continuing into 2023, whether it lasts for the whole of 2023, I do not know. But for the time being, this is going to continue. But when the bad times are over, the financial markets, and crucially the crypto market, will return with a bang. We'll probably see gains maybe bigger than we've ever seen before, because let me tell you, there's a huge amount of money on the sidelines waiting to come into crypto. In actual fact, there's a couple of huge institutions that got big in crypto, one of them being BlackRock, the biggest asset manager in the world. They've invested billions into Bitcoin. They're allowing their biggest financial institutions and investors to invest in Bitcoin through their platform, which is huge. And also another thing, prices of crypto are as low as they've been in years. You know, we're not going to see prices this low again unless basically all of crypto collapses, which I don't think is going to happen. We'd have to take something cataclysmic for that to happen, like World War III. And if that happens, then we're not really going to be worried about buying crypto. But we're seeing prices we've not seen for a long time. And I think there's going to be huge opportunities in crypto. And I think we need to zoom out and look at the bigger picture here as well. Crypto is still a new technology. Crypto is basically going to be kind of like the new internet with Web3, the blockchain, metaverse, and all of that stuff. And things we don't even know that's going to happen yet. So it's a very new technology. It's not really widely adopted yet. Most of the people out there don't really know about crypto and they're not using crypto-based tools yet, but that will change. If we look at sort of like the late 90s and early 2000s when the internet was going, it was the Wild West. Everyone thought the internet was a fad. You know, we had the dot-com bust after the big dot-com boom. A lot of confidence left, but basically within a couple of years, by mid-2000s, the internet was off and running, and it just developed from there. And obviously, wow, we know what the internet is today. We couldn't live without it, and it spawned, many successful companies, the biggest, which are Amazon and Google. So yeah, and I think crypto is going to be the same. Just remember, crypto is bigger than just coins. There's going to be the next Amazon and Google is going to come in the crypto space, in the blockchain, gaming, metaverse space. So you've got to bear that in mind. So you need to really look at the bigger future. And obviously the coins that are going to be coming out are going to be ways to get into these huge companies of the future as well. So I just want you to bear that in mind. Crypto is far from dead. It's barely at the beginning, in my opinion. And the prices we're seeing now, all right, yeah, if it bottoms out a bit more, we're not really going to see prices this low. So the barrier of entry is great to get into crypto now. But the thing is, whilst, it's probably, a smart idea to own a bit of Bitcoin and Ethereum, the huge gains are going to be with the altcoins. The altcoins is where it's going to be at. The altcoins are going to be producing the future millionaires in the crypto space. Obviously, which altcoins, you should buy. There's thousands of them. I don't know yet. But the thing is, when you invest in crypto coin, you need to be investing in businesses that have sound fundamentals. They've got a real world solution. They're not just like a fad meme coin. It's a real proper business, and they're trying to offer a real solution. They're trying to raise funds through, basically offering a crypto coin and creating their own currency. So that is basically my advice. Maybe it's a good idea to hold a bit of Bitcoin and Ethereum. I think Solana's going to be a good one to hold. Very high quality coin, but that price of that has tanked recently. But, if you want the big bucks, it's time to go searching for the little altcoins. And the areas to look into are going to be decentralized finance, because DeFi is going to become one of the main players in the finance world in the future. It's probably going to replace the centralized banks that we have, and also the gaming and metaverse space. That is going to be huge. That's going to be a multi-billion, if not $1 trillion industry in the future. That metaverse and crypto gaming is going to be huge. And there's a lot of innovative companies springing up all the time in that space, basically building great games and innovative solutions for the metaverse. So to sum up, what do I expect from crypto this year? I think there's going to be a lot more pain. I don't think we've seen the bottom. I think we're going to see further falls. But I think the key things to look out for is looking for the war in Ukraine to rectify itself. Once that is all over, done and dusted, hopefully that happens this year. Maybe spring, maybe that will happen in summer, touch wood. If that does happen, that will bring a lot of confidence back to the financial markets. The financial strains will reduce. Hopefully, costs will come down, and that will bring more confidence back to the financial markets. That will have a knock-on effect to the crypto markets, and hence the crypto market prices will increase, and we'll go back to the bull markets, and a whole load of money will start coming into the crypto space again, and we will be off and running. But the timescales for that, I do not know. But I think it's wise to expect it's going to be another bumpy year like last. Wouldn't surprise me if we see another 1 or 2 huge collapses in the crypto space due to them being over leveraged. But, you know, in my opinion, now's the time to get into crypto because prices are low, and the crypto industry as a whole is going to be the future of how we live our life and how we transfer money, spend money, and do business and the whole rest of it. So that is my thought on the crypto market. Rough at the moment, but, you know, like you say, you know, this rough time is going to go on forever, and when we come out of it, I think things are going to explode in the big way, probably like we've never seen before, because we're going through the worst financial time in history. So my advice is keep a hawk eye on the crypto market. Look for some great altcoins to invest in with businesses who have got sound fundamentals. I don't think it's a bad idea to put a bit of money into Bitcoin and Ethereum. And let's just ride out this storm, and when the good times come back, they're going to be coming back with a bang, I think. I'll be producing more videos on crypto in the coming weeks. And obviously, if there's anything interesting to update you on, but I just want to wish you a happy 2023. Have some great fun trading crypto. And I do believe, you know, the good times will come back. When, I don't know, but when they come back, it's going to be huge, trust me. Anyway, thanks for joining me, and I'll speak to you soon.